back to my channel. I'm Beauty by Deanna D. Thanks for stopping by. If you're new, hello, welcome. And I like to say welcome to my new subscribers and also welcome to my old. But if you're just now tuning into the channel, please, you guys, you have 3 options to subscribe to this channel. You have one right here on your mobile device, one right here on your desktop device, and one big one on the screen. So without any further ado, one of the 3, and then make sure you hit the bell before you go anywhere, because that lets you know whenever I upload a video, you will be a part of the early squad. So if you want to be a part of the early squad, then make sure you hit that bell and notifications and everything else, and follow my social media. Woo! Finally, I got all that out of the way. So today I'm going to be sharing you guys a little haul. I'm getting back in the swing of hauls. It's been a minute since I've actually done, well, actually I've done a mini haul, but it hasn't been like a variety haul. So kind of glad that I'm getting back in the swing of hauls. So thank you guys for requesting more hauls on this channel, because it needs to be more hauls on this channel, okay? It needs to be more hauls. Guys, I wonder where I got these earrings from. These earrings are from Glitter. They was listed in the last haul, so please excuse me if I'm not, you know, mentioning all of the stuff that's going on here in the video, but I had to let it be known because I love these. It's cute. So let's get into the bag. So I went to Burlington Coat Factory, okay, and I spent almost $90 at Burlington Coat Factory, and here is bag number 1. The first thing that's coming out of this bag is a nice pretty dress here. I love this dress. Oh my gosh, if I can get it. I just love the print. I love how the little details are on the front, and then also it's the same on the back, and it's very, very gorgeous. I just love this dress from Burlington. This next one is this pretty cute shirt here. This shirt right here that I picked up, it was very much inspired because the 4th is coming up, and I like to dress up a little bit for the 4th. Okay, so here is the shirt itself, and it has, I mean, isn't that appropriate for the 4th? It has red, white, and blue on the side, and then it's red itself. I mean, come on. And this was like, I want to say, yeah, this is $9.99, so you can't go wrong with that. Oh, Mother's Day stuff, can't show that, but that was the only reason why I wanted to go to Burlington, really, is to get Mother's Day stuff. But sometimes you just don't want to leave too empty-handed, okay? You don't want to leave too empty-handed. Okay. This now it's in this bag, and I gotta wrap it up. I'm not gonna get to the, hey mom, no, I'm not gonna do that. That's ratchet. Okay. Next, which I'm really excited for, you guys. I'm really excited for this. Oh, it's just another cell phone cord. I go through these like crazy, and I know for sure sooner or later I'm gonna need it. So I got it, and I said, oh, well, it's rose gold, and that's the only reason why I saw it and I picked it up. Rose gold. Oh, it's so cute. Look at that. It's just the cord. I got the adapter part. This is cute. And my phone is the iPhone 6 Plus. Girl, don't come for me. Ain't nobody got time to be spending that much money on the 10 just yet. But I'm gonna wait. But this is the charger that I picked up. So I picked up the charger because I knew in time it would be time for me to get another charger. So why not? Okay. On the thumbnail. Pretty quick. It is so real when you're trying to get a thumbnail. Okay, I'm really excited about this product. I really am. This is the, I don't want to say the name badly, but please forgive me if I do. Clean. I would think it'd be like how you would say the regular clean, like clean your house, but Clean Color HD Mattifying Finishing Powder. This is like $2.99. I'm excited to review this. Got some reviews coming up, so I'm excited to review this. But I did get this, by the way, at Burlington Coat Factory. Next, I next thing I picked up is also from BH Cosmetics is the Perfecting. This is the Perfecting Concealer, which I'm excited for. Really excited for. If I can get it open. Deal with all of that unnecessary. You know, I'm just gonna destroy this package. Okay. Ooh, and this one is in, ooh, deep. I like. Ooh, yes, I did good on that. So I'm excited to use this. Yes, BH Cosmetics, and this is their Nightfall palette. This was like $8. The Nude Rose Nightfall Tug Color Eyeshadow Palette. I'm even excited, y'all, to have this going on. Let's see if I can get it. Y'all, the struggle be real getting these packages open. Like, I know y'all don't be wanting people to steal your stuff, but dang, can you at least lay off on the extra nonsense? Okay, here you go. Whew. Ooh, I like this. I like very much. Oh, okay. Ooh, this is a nice smoky palette, and it comes with the brush. Oh my gosh. And you guys, it's Shimmer. It's cute. It's Shimmer and it's cute. Look at this. Oh my gosh, those colors are gorgeous. And it comes with a mirror. And it comes with a mirror. Oh my gosh, that is just so amazing. Look at that. That is just bad. I like that very, very much. Tutorials coming. Okay, another BH Cosmetics has joined the family. Let's see. Oh yes, I got a e.l.f. brush. This is the e.l.f. contouring brush. Ooh, I'm definitely excited for this. It's their studio. I think this is kind of cracked when we was in the car. I got a feeling it did, because I don't know. I picked up the black Radiance. This is their blush and the shade. What shade is this blush? Oh, Plum Sorbet. Open it up. My first ever black Radiance blush, which I'm so excited about. Okay, here's the blush. Looks like that. That's so beautiful. That's so beautiful. Oh, look at that. This is like highlighter vibes. So hot. Yeah, so highlighter vibes. I got some Ardell Professional Natural Lashes. These were $2.99. So I got these. Ooh. And then last but not least, I got the simple makeup remover wipes because I needed me some more makeup remover wipes. So these are the simple makeup remover wipes. So got my hands on it. Got my hands on it. I got my hands on it. I got my hands on it. So yes, needed me some more. And these come with 25 wipes. That's awesome. So I got these. That is everything that come in with the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a massive thumbs up, and I gotta go, and I will see you soon. Bye guys.